Russian Ukraine dialogue in Saudi Arabia, facilitated by USA. Good evening. I am Mr. Bravo, reporting you live from Global Affairs tonight, bringing you the most critical geopolitical development shaping our world today. Senior US and Russian officials convened in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, for high level negotiation aimed at the ending of ongoing war in Ukraine. The meeting held in the Raya Palace signals a major shift in US foreign policy under President Donald Trump, who has pushed for renewed ties with Moscow. Leading the US delegation was Secretary of State Marco Rubio, while Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov spearheaded Russian represented, notably Ukraine and European officials were not invited, sparking a backlash from Kiev and its allies. Key outcomes of the talk: establishing negotiation team, United States and Russian officials agreed to form a high-level team to draft a potential roadmap for ending the war. Restoring diplomatic channels, both nations committed to normalize diplomatic operations by increasing embassy shifting in Washington and Moscow. Economic cooperation discussed, including easy tension over sanctions and exploring mutual economic opportunities. A possible Trump-Putin summit. The groundbreaking was led for the potential meeting between Trump and Putin, though no dates have yet been finalized. Reactions from Ukraine and Europe. Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky denounced the talk, asserting that no agreement could be legitimate without Kiev's participation. He has postponed his scheduled visit to Saudi Arabia in response. French President Emmanuel Macron and other European leaders echoed these concerns, calling for Ukraine's inclusion in any future peace process and stronger security measures from NATO. Saudi Arabia's expanding diplomatic role. Saudi Arabia under Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has positioned itself as a global mediator. Its involvement with OPEC and past diplomatic efforts include prisoner exchange underscores its growing geopolitical influence. Military escalations aimed diplomacy. Despite talk, Russian launched a barrage of 176 drones at Ukraine on the eve of the meeting, targeting civilian areas. Ukraine reported intercepting most of drones, but the attack highlight the continued intensity of the war. In concluding, while the Riyadh talks mark a step towards de-escalation, the exclusion of key stakeholders raises a serious concern about the feasibility of any agreement. The road to peace remains uncertain, and next moves by Washington, Moscow, and Kiev will shape the course of the conflict. That's wrap up tonight's top geopolitical updates. The world is shifting and the stakes are higher than ever. What are your thoughts on the this pressing issue where the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is having influence on mediation talks? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed with the global affairs tonight. Until next time, stay engaged and stay awake. I was your host, Mr. Bravo. Goodbye and good night.